Hey, good evening. Today is November 25th. I need to put that date. Why? Because I am so excited. There was a package I was waiting for. It was supposed to come tomorrow, 26th. And I was like, it's okay, no problem. But it is a surprise. I'm actually very surprised and I'm very proud of Aramex for the first time ever. Maybe because it happens to be Prime. Yes, I don't even know how I subscribe, but I got a Prime package from Amazon. The first time I did this ordering, I made a mistake and did with Connect, and it was too expensive. So this time, learned my mistake, just took the time and ordered. I ordered like last week, and then it arrived today. It is like, okay, I say second best surprise. Okay, it is my best surprise because it contains two very important things. One you've already seen, but the other you have not yet seen. I've been telling you about it. But as usual, some of you do not listen. Okay, just removing that. Okay. You see, this is the first copy. It's my book, the Love Room book. Okay. Okay, why I'm so proud of this book is because I wrote a book about love using all the experiences that I had from the internet, but I had to do a little bit extra research and then I put it in here. Initially, the first copy is mine, and yeah, this is I am so happy. Okay, like I said, the other one you might be aware of it because it is my first book, and I've been loving the reviews that I got about this. Everybody's like, yes, we love the language, we love everything, but I need them to go and put it on YouTube, everything that they are saying. I know. Yes, I am so excited. Anyway, this book is going to be on Kindle on free offer for 27th and 28th as a way to celebrate Thanksgiving. So if you cannot buy the book, it's 10 USD in Amazon minus shipping. You can always wait for tomorrow and then you download the Kindle version. If like me, you love hardcovers to read and everything, I am so excited. Anyway, if you love all that, you can just have, I can give you like one copy because the rest I will take to my family, but by next year I will stock them and have them. So please go buy. I'm having to write a follow-up of this one, and it's amazing because honestly I've seen and improved a bit in my lab by using the tips that I researched and I put here. And who knows, maybe soon we might be making kitenge. Anyway, thank you for watching, and yeah, go wait for the Kindle version. Today is, like I said, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, we start downloading the Kindle version for free. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.